Hey guys, this is Vanessa. The end of your extended spring break has arrived and we're heading back to school. So I wanted to talk to you about what's going to be happening with all the weird stuff happening in the world right now as far as school goes. A couple of things you need to know coming back. First of all, nothing should really be disrupted. Everybody who's on track to graduate can still graduate. You guys will still be getting credits for doing work virtually online. The great thing is that you and your teachers have always had online work, so it'll be a lot easier for you to adapt to this whole home virtual learning thing. Um, Another thing you want to know is that when we left for spring break, we were on week 4. We just wrapped it up. Now, coming back, hypothetically, we should be on week 5, but since you got a 2 week spring break instead of a 1 week spring break, we have to figure out a way to make up that extra week. So what your teachers are doing is Hexter 5 is going to be shortened by a week. So instead of coming back and doing weeks 5 and 6 work for this Hexter, you're just going to have 1 week's worth of work. In my class, I'm putting all of those in a folder titled Week 5. The assignments are a combination of what we were going to do in week 5 and week 6, and they're all just crammed into one folder. If you run into questions about that, just let me know, email me or message me. The other thing is you'll still have some sort of final in all your classes that could look like anything, but in my class it'll still look like just your straightforward final, except rather than doing it in person, I'll email it to you when the time comes. So please be aware that you have those things coming up this week. Your classes will be wrapping up this week, and Hexter 6 starts the week after that. Um, it doesn't seem like, given world events, that we'll be opening again this year, but it's possible. So for now, you just want to stay on track. And let your teachers know if you're having any issues getting work done or accessing things. Um, we're also going to be checking in with you at least once a week, so we'll have some sort of like Google session where I'm available to talk to you, and you can ask me any questions you have. I can instruct and show you things. There's also, let me see here. I have office hours starting this week. So I'm going to be available from 1 to 2 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I think from 11 to 12 Tuesday, Thursday. But really, I'm available anytime as long as you contact me and set something up. I hope you're staying safe and your family's safe and your friends are healthy. And yeah, good luck with everything. Wash your hands, stay inside. And that's it. Take care, you guys. See you soon.